What's up? It's Coach Josh, your form expert and online coach, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Pallof press properly. This is a great deep core exercise. It's absolutely fantastic. One of my favorites when done correctly. It just gets butchered. So let me show you exactly what to do. First and foremost, we're going to set this up just at about chest height. So you can see this is pretty much in line with my chest. This is where it's going to feel the most natural. Now, before I even get into this movement, it's super important you know you're not as active in this movement as you are other things. So if I'm doing a bench press, I'm trying to power that rep. This is an anti-rotation movement. I am fighting this cable's desire to pull me against its weight. So instead, the main thing here with setup is having a really strong base and a strong core and moving behind that brace. So what you're gonna do is grab the cable with one hand, put the other hand just on top of it, and we're gonna step out here, okay? We're gonna step out a few feet to where the cable naturally wants to rotate me against it. From here, your feet, and this is ultra important, should be just a little bit wider than shoulder width. You can have a little bit of a soft bend in the knee, and from here, you're gonna squeeze your abs. Pretend you're gonna cough, pretend you're bracing, whatever's an easier cue for you. You wanna be strong in this position. The second this movement doesn't work is when I'm like this, when I'm like this, I've already lost the movement. If we're doing this correctly, we should be a strong unit. We should not be moving whatsoever except for our hands. Everything else should be static. My abs are braced. If Kyle, the filmer right here, came up and punched me, I'd be ready for him. Okay, so in this position, I'm nice and strong. Everything's tight. I'm not letting it pull me. From here, I'm pushing out, and this is not a chest press. This is a common mistake. All this pushing is doing is adding more tension for this cable to want to swing me back. So instead, I'm preventing against this rotation by being a strong unit, squeezing my abs, pushing, maintaining that tight core, preventing that rotation, letting it come back with control, and I'm a strong unit. My abs are braced, my obliques are working, I come out under full extension, and this is what a perfect Pallof press looks like. Saying so, there are a lot of mistakes that we want to avoid. Let's jump into 3 common mistakes you want to avoid. But before we do, I have a free gift for you. If you want to improve your form in the gym, this is a great way to do it. It's a personal trainer in your pocket, over 100 exercises, before, afters, common mistakes to avoid, easily accessible in one file. So I'm just going to give that to you totally free. Click the first link to get that. I'll send that right over your email. That's my gift to you. Now into the first common mistake. So first common mistake is too much weight. As you can see, I'm exaggerating a bit, but as I use too much weight, it looks hard, it looks sloppy. If I'm using too much weight, my hips are drifting at all, you're doing it incorrect. It should look effortless. A good Pallof press should almost look comical. Like, what is that guy doing? Perhaps if they don't know this movement, it'll look a little foreign to them. But as you do it, if you've done this movement, you can understand how hard it is preventing that rotation, engaging that ab, and that's why it's a great deep core exercise. The second common mistake, and this is a big one, when you're doing the motion here, it's really imperative to maintain that control. We're not rushing it. This isn't a cable press. I'm not trying to hit a PR. Instead, I'm tight. I'm maintaining everything. I highly recommend a 2-second hold at extension. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, coming in with control, giving your second a sec to reset. And like I said, this whole thing here should look effortless. This is the easiest way to ensure you're doing it right. And where it's gonna get hard is you do more reps, you're gonna be feeling it a bit. You don't want excessive shaking or spinning because we're rotating against that. We're just trying to build deep core strength. But there you have it. You're gonna be a pro at the Pallof press. If you have any questions for me or you wanna say thanks or anything, comment down below. I read all the comments, I'll get right back to you. Get in the gym, do movements with better form, get more results. Happy to be on your team. Free form guide, first link in the description. Peace out.